What's up, everybody? Houston Scratcher here. I haven't uploaded any videos because my luck has been really bad. I think it's been about a month and a half that I haven't had any winners at all. So today I decided to stop at the store and get this Explosion De Dinero $10 from the Texas Lottery. Ticket number 9. Odds on this ticket are 1 in 3.64. All right, let's see if we can match any of these 3 bonuses up here. Dice and anchor. Bonus number 2, club and a cherry. Excuse me. Bonus number 3, star and a pineapple. All right, no winners on that. Down here we're looking to match our winning numbers to our numbers, and we're looking for a 5x and a 10x if I'm not wrong. Yes, 5x and a 10x. Let's see if we can find any matching numbers, any winners down here. All right, so I got winning numbers 8, 38. I'm sorry, yeah, 38, 39, 28, and 13. First row. $14, 1 off. 23, 46, 26, and 19. Second row. 44, 38. Okay, we got a winner. Matching number 38. Let's see if we can find anything else to go with that. Number 2, 32, and 30. 18. Another winner. That's 2 matches. Number 8, 40, 22, 27, 21, 31, a 9, 35 in the last spot, 11. All right, well, I guess let's see if we can let's see what we got. Sorry, I haven't had a winner in like a long time. So let's see what's under that number 38. $10. And then number 8, another $10 for $20. Double up. Nice session. All right, guys, I hope you like it. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and please play responsibly. See you next time.